Open up your MTT. This is a quiz review for 3.3 through 3.6, solving equations. We're going to start with the equation 4 plus x equals 11. We ask ourselves, is the variable on the left? Yes, it is. Is it first? No, it's not. So we're going to use commutative property of multiplication. X plus 4 is equal to 11. Is the x on the left? It is. Is it first? It is. Is it by itself? It's not. So we need to zero pair the 4, and we're going to get x is equal to 7. For the check, we're going to put in 4 plus x is equal to 11. We think x is 7, so we're going to go ahead and plug that in. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 11 equals 11. Next one has to be we must use symmetrical property to solve, so it's going to be 3n is equal to 36. What math operation is it? Multiplication. How do we solve it? We divide through division. We're going to divide each side by 3. So we're going to get n is equal to 12. For the check, we're going to write the equation again. 36 is equal to 3 times. We think n is 12, so we'll plug it in. 36 is equal to 36, and we are correct. Okay. Is the variable on the left? Yes, it is. Is the variable first? Yes, it is. Is it by itself? No, it's not. We can't zero pair because there is no plus or minus, so we're going to go right into opposite operation. The math operation here is division. The opposite of division is multiplication, so we're going to multiply both sides by 3. This is going to cancel out, so we have x is equal to 30. For the check, we're going to do x divided by 3 is equal to 10. We think that x is 30, so we're going to do 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10, and 10 is equal to 10. Alright, is the variable on the left? It's not, so we must do symmetrical. So we're going to do 4x plus 3 is equal to 23. Is the variable on the left? Yes, it is. Is the variable term first? Yes, it is. Is the variable term by itself? No, it's not. So we're going to need to zero pair off the 3. That's going to give us 4x is equal to 20. Now we have to ask, what math operation is this? Multiplication. What's the opposite of multiplication? It is division. We're going to divide both sides by 4, and we get x is equal to 5. For the check, we're going to do 23 is equal to 4 times. Now we think the x is a 5, so we'll plug that in. And we're going to do 23 is equal to 20 plus 3. And now we're going to PEMDAS that side. 23 is equal to 23. Is the variable on the left? Well, it is, but we have two variable terms, which means that we're going to need to combine them. So we're going to add a line and change the sign. 3x plus 2x plus negative 7. That's our CPA step. So now we're going to have 5x plus negative 7 is equal to 3. Is the variable term on the left? Yes, it is. Is it first? Yes, it is. Is it by itself? No, it's not. So we're going to need to zero pair the negative 7 with a positive 7, and we're going to get 5x is equal to 10. What math operation is this? Multiplication. How do we solve it? Division. So it's going to be x is equal to 2. So for the check, we're going to do 3x minus 7 plus 2x equals 3. We think that the x is a 2, so we're going to plug in that 2 everywhere we see the x. Notice that we're having to plug it in to 2 different locations. And now we're going to use PEMDAS. 6 plus negative 7 plus 4 is equal to 3, and that's going to give us 10 plus negative 7, 3 equals 3. Now we're going to translate, write an equation, and solve. So we have 3 more than is plus, twice is 2, times a number is equals and 25. So we're going to go ahead and take our parts, and it's going to be 3 plus 2x is equal to 25. We're going to use CPA to get the x term first. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 25. Is the variable on the left? It is. Is it first? Yes, it is. Is it by itself? No, it's not, so we're going to need to zero pair the 3. So now we have 2x is equal to 22. What math operation is this? Multiplication. How do I solve it? Division. Divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 11. So to check it, if we think that x is 11, we're going to go ahead and plug it in. So it's going to be 2 times 11 plus 3 is equal to 25. 22 plus 3 is equal to 25. And 25 is equal to 25.